DALY is your trusted provider for comprehensive technology solutions for state and local governments and educational institutions throughout Maryland and Virginia. DALY is proud to partner with Panasonic to provide TOUGHBOOK, rugged mobile computers to keep your public safety agency efficient and informed when failure isn't an option. With more than 60 years of combined experience, DALY and Panasonic have solid reputations in the public safety sector. DALY and Panasonic provide no-hassle maintenance and warranty plans for your TOUGHBOOK, and if you find a way to destroy it, we'll replace it at no cost. DALY works with Panasonic to outfit vehicles with everything you need to put your TOUGHBOOK into action, including wireless connectivity, mobile printing, and voice activation. DALY and Panasonic, providing turnkey solutions so you're ready to respond when duty calls. To find out more about this amazing technology, contact a DALY solution specialist today.